Looking for an affordable yet efficient way to elevate your cycling adventures? Wondering which budget-friendly folding electric bike have the perfect blend of affordability and convenience? Then stay tuned as we cover the top 5 picks. Keep in mind that our selections are in no particular order, so be sure to stick around until the end to find the ideal pick for you. And don't forget to give that like button a tap and hit subscribe for all the latest updates. The Heybike Mars, a foldable electric bike designed to combine convenience, performance, and versatility. With an impressive 50 miles range and a top speed of 25 miles per hour, the Mars is powered by a modular 624 watt-hour battery and a peak 1,000-watt brushless geared motor. This ensures not only a long lifespan, but also top-notch performance across various terrains. One of the standout features of the Heybike Mars is its 4-inch wide, puncture-resistant fat tires, which, coupled with dual suspension, make it adaptable to almost any environment. Whether you are navigating downtown streets, rocky paths, sandy beaches, snowy suburbs, or urban jungles, the Mars handles it all with ease. Riders can customize their experience with 3 riding modes and a 7-speed system, while the dual disc brakes and comprehensive lighting system enhance safety. The foldable and adjustable design adds a layer of convenience, allowing the bike to compactly fit into your car, making commutes faster and less strenuous. Supporting a maximum capacity of up to 330 pounds, the Mars caters to riders of all sizes, ensuring a safe and reliable ride. Additionally, the included rear rack offers practicality, allowing you to carry more cargo effortlessly. The VIVI Electric Folding Bike, a powerful and versatile option designed to enhance your daily commute and recreational rides. Powered by a 500-watt high-speed brushless motor, this bike can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, ensuring swift and efficient travel. The detachable 48-volt 374 watt-hour lithium-ion battery charges in just 4 to 5 hours and offers the flexibility to charge on the bike or separately, reducing theft concerns. The VIVI Electric Folding Bike boasts a premium configuration to enhance your riding experience. It features double shock absorption, which provides a smooth ride even on bumpy roads. The professional 21-speed transmission system, combined with front and rear disc brakes, delivers reliable and safe braking in all weather conditions. For added safety during night rides, the bike is equipped with a bright LED headlamp. Designed for convenience, the VIVI bike has a lightweight aluminum alloy collapsible frame that allows for quick folding and easy storage. The double-walled aluminum alloy rims enhance durability and reduce drag, making your rides faster and more efficient. Its strong 26-inch anti-slip tires offer excellent traction, allowing you to confidently ride over gravel, rain, dirt, and sand. The thumb throttle makes acceleration simple and convenient, adding to the overall ease of use. The EBKAROCY Urban Challenger is an exceptional electric bike for adults, combining power, durability, and advanced design to offer a superior riding experience. It features a 48-volt, 15-ampere-hour high-capacity lithium battery that allows for up to 32 miles per charge in pure power mode, making it ideal for daily commutes. This removable battery boasts long life, high durability, and anti-theft features, providing both convenience and security. The robust 400-watt motor achieves speeds up to 20 miles per hour and can easily conquer slopes up to 25%. The EBKAROCY bike stands out with its multiple shock absorption design, including a mid-mounted shock absorber, hydraulic shock absorber, seat pack double spring shock, and riser spring shock. These features ensure a smooth ride even on bumpy roads, reducing physical discomfort and enhancing overall comfort for urban riding. The bike is suitable for women, youth, and men alike, offering a versatile solution for various riders. Safety and comfort are paramount in the EBKAROCY Urban Challenger. The high-carbon steel frame provides high hardness, durability, and excellent shock absorption. The high-density sponge seat relieves hip fatigue, ensuring comfort during long rides. The foldable design of the bike, measuring 27 by 17 by 26 inches when folded and weighing only 55 pounds, adds to its convenience. Adjustable seat and handlebar heights cater to individual preferences, while the inclusion of 3 speed gears, easily set via the LCD display, allows for customizable riding. The Oraimo Foldable Electric Bike is engineered to provide unparalleled performance and versatility for riders seeking adventure on any terrain. With its powerful 750-watt brushless motor, peaking at 1,000 watts, and robust 3-inch fat tires, this bike effortlessly conquers diverse landscapes. Experience exhilarating acceleration up to 20 miles per hour, ensuring a thrilling ride whether you're navigating city streets or tackling off-road trails. Equipped with a UL-certified hidden 48-volt, 11.6 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery, the Oraimo bike offers exceptional endurance, covering up to 45 miles on a single charge. The 3A fast charging feature allows for quick recharge times of just 3.5 hours, minimizing downtime between adventures. Designed for convenience and comfort, the foldable lightweight aluminum frame makes storage and transportation effortless. Adjustable saddle and handlebar heights cater to individual preferences, ensuring maximum comfort during long journeys. The bike's advanced features include 5 pedal assist levels displayed on a full-color LCD screen, offering customizable assistance to adapt to various terrains and riding styles. Additionally, the Shimano 7-speed gear system ensures smooth and precise shifting, providing greater control over speed and cadence. The Oraimo Foldable Electric Bike is the ultimate choice for riders seeking high performance, convenience, and comfort on their outdoor excursions. Experience the pinnacle of electric biking with the ENGWE EP-2 Pro, a masterpiece of engineering that combines power, comfort, and portability for an unparalleled riding experience. Featuring a peak 960-watt motor, this bike reaches speeds of up to 26 miles per hour, ensuring exhilarating rides. The 48-volt, 13-ampere-hour lithium battery offers an impressive range of over 75 miles, guaranteeing long-lasting enjoyment on every journey. Crafted with a 6061 aluminum alloy frame and front suspension fork, the ENGWE EP-2 Pro delivers a smooth and adaptable riding experience suitable for riders of different heights. The adjustable seat and handlebar, along with 20-inch aluminum alloy wheels, provide stability and versatility across all terrains. Designed for convenience, the foldable and portable design of the EP-2 Pro makes it perfect for camping or transportation in a car. The comfortable leather saddle and fat tires ensure optimal comfort during extended rides, while front headlights and rear taillights ensure safety during nighttime excursions. Equipped with front and rear disc brakes for effective stopping power on uneven terrains, the EP-2 Pro also features a 7-speed transmission system for customizable riding speeds. Super bright headlights and a comprehensive display screen providing essential bike information ensure both safety and functionality. Whether for work, school, or leisure, the ENGWE EP-2 Pro offers a comfortable, convenient, and exhilarating riding experience unmatched by any other electric bike.